When you buy one of these Yuneec Breezes, it comes with a lot of information. Warning statements, never fly over stadiums or sports events, never fly under the influence of drugs or alcohol, understand airspace restrictions and requirements, never fly near emergency response efforts such as fires. FAA registration. Please follow all federal, state, and local FAA laws. You may be required to register yourself and your drone with the FAA. For more information, it can be found at www.faa.gov/USA/getting_started/. All right. After receiving the certificate of registration, you must mark your unique FAA registration number on the drone by any means such as permanent marker, label, engraving. This number must be, what does that say? Looks like easily accessible and maintained in a good condition that is readable and legible upon close visual inspection. Warning, do not fly drone near airports or any other unauthorized areas. Follow all rules for FAA regulation. Summary for small unmanned aircraft systems. Read Academy of Model Aeronautics. Know before you fly. Important information brochure. All right. Don't be flying one of these around. Me, I'm not flying it around, so I don't have to worry about it.